Good morning, dear students. A warm welcome to all of you for our today's digital session for the subject Science and Technology, Section A and B. Because today, as per your request, I have made this video which includes the reduction in syllabus for Science and Technology, both Section A and B in the second term. So whatever syllabus is reduced for the first term that I had already given you in the live session. Now this is the reduction in syllabus for second term, both section A and B. Yesterday I have covered two chapters, chapter number 12 and 13. But today we will take all the 8 chapters quickly at a glance. So let us begin with our first chapter. So initially I will request all of you to be present with the textbooks in your hands and a pencil. Our first chapter starts with chapter number 5, Acids, Bases and Salts. Acids, Bases and Salts, page number 58. Our first reduction is can you recall. Very top of the page you can see can you recall, that is to be removed out. On the same page you can see in the center of the page a table is given which includes both A and B parts. Name of the compound, molecular formula, basic radical, acid. So that entire table you have to remove. Both the columns A and column B. Entire table you put a big cross. So on page number 58 you have to only study the last paragraph below the table. Page number 59, on the top you have the 2 lines. Remove that 2 lines on the top. Now complete part B of table on page 58. It will be clear that there are 3 types of ionic compounds. So that 2 lines you remove. And on the same page towards the end you have an activity. Can you recall? Remove that activity. Turn your page, page number 60. Towards the end of the page you have an orange block. Use your brain power. Remove that block. 3 questions are there in that block. Remove that entire block. Page number 61, there is no reduction. Page number 62, you have an activity on the top. Use your brain power. Remove that activity. Page number 63, there is no reduction. Page number 64, 65, there is no reduction. So directly we move on to page number 66. Page number 66, there are 3 reductions. Right on the top you have 2 blocks. One is always remember, the other one is use your brain power. Remove both these activities. On the top you have always remember and use your brain power. Both the activities should be removed. On the same page in the center you have try this. An activity is there. Remove that activity. Take a big test tube. Choose a rubber stopper in which a gas tube can be fitted. That activity you have to remove. Page number 67, towards the end of the page you have an activity, use your brain power, which includes 3 questions. Remove that activity. Turn your page. Page number 68, you don't have any reduction. Page number 69, in the center you can see that small yellow colored block. Repeat the above activity for ferrous sulfate, sodium carbonate and write the chemical liquid. That block you have to remove. Page number 70, 71, there is no reduction. All of you move to page number 72. On the top you have 2 purple colored blocks. Both the blocks you have to remove. One is always remember and the other is use your brain power. Both the blocks remove it. And last page of this chapter, page number 73, there is a small activity named research. Remove that activity. I hope you have removed carefully for chapter number 5. Now quickly we will finish chapter number 12 and 13 as they are already discussed yesterday. But we will go in a sequence. So I am covering that chapters also today. Chapter number 12, study of sound. I will be a little bit quick here because it is informed to you yesterday. Page number 128. Remove the activity towards the bottom. Research. Page number 129, on the top you have an activity, try this. Remove that activity. 4 steps are there, all the 4 steps. Page number 130, you have an orange colored block, a peep into the past about the bats, information about the bats. Remove that block. Page number 131. On the top, a green colored block is there which includes uses of ultrasonic waves or ultrasound. Remove that block. Right below it you have the heading reflection of sound. There you have an activity, try this. Remove that activity. Turn your page. Page number 132. Be a little bit careful. Right on the top you have use your brain power. Remove that activity. In the center you have science in the surroundings. Remove that block. And towards the end of the page you have compare the two cases. Remove that block too. Page number 133. Towards the center above the sonar technique you have a small activity. Use your brain power. Remove that activity. Turn your page. Page number 134. You have two blocks. Find out and always remember. Both the blocks you have to remove. Page number 135. Towards the end you have always remember. Remove that block. Page number 136, that is the last page of the chapter. Remove solved example number 3. And towards the end of the page you have a small orange colored block about the sonar technology. That block is to be removed. I hope there are no confusions in chapter number 5 and 12. Let us move towards our next chapter of section A, chapter number 13. Carbon, an important element. Carbon, an important element. Page number 138. Now here you have to be a little bit careful. Right on the top you have two activities. Can you recall and try this? So remove all that activities along with that entire stuff. So you will start reading from carbon. The element carbon is available abundantly. From there your chapter starts. Above that whatever activities is there you have to remove. Towards the end of the page you have a small activity. Can you tell? Remove that activity. What is a compound? How are compounds formed? That activity has to be removed. Next page, page number 139. Both the blocks have to be removed. One is an introduction to scientists and the other one is science capsule. Both the blocks you remove. Turn your page. Page number 140. A peep into the past. A small orange colored block is there. That you have to remove. Page number 141. Try this activity is there. Now once again I would inform you that whenever I tell you remove the activity, try this. So in try this it is an experiment. So apparatus, chemicals, procedure, whatever is related to that activity, that entire thing has to be removed out. For example, on this page for try this you have apparatus and procedure. So both the things you have to remove. So you will start from properties of graphite, that you have to study. Turn your page. Page number 142, there is no reduction. Page number 143, towards the bottom of the page you have under the heading solubility of carbon, try this activity. Remove that entire activity. Apparatus, chemicals, procedure, everything has to be removed. Turn your page. Page number 144. On this page there is a lot of reduction, so be careful. Right on the top, use your brain power has to be removed. The very first activity. Below that you have an activity, try this. Reaction of carbon with oxygen, apparatus, procedure, everything you remove. Below that lies a small activity of apparatus and procedure about the freshly prepared lime water. That part you have to study. Below that you have about carbon dioxide and its occurrence. That part you have to study. And now towards the bottom of the page you have again an activity, try this. For this activity, apparatus and chemicals on page number 144 have to be removed. And on page number 145, right on the top you have procedure. That part has to be also cancelled off. On the same page, very last line of that page, use your brain power activities there. Page number 145, use your brain power activities there. Very last line, that also you have to remove. Turn your page. Page number 146, there is no reduction. Page number 147, Towards the end of the page, you have a very small orange colored block about methane gas. It was discovered by the Italian scientist Alessandro Volta. Between 7, that block you have to remove. Now the last page of this chapter, page number 148, right on the top above the biogas plant, you can see a green block stating using ICT. Remove that green colored block. So we have completed up to chapter number 13. Now let us begin with chapter number 14, which is your last chapter for section A. Chapter number 14, substances in common use. Very interesting chapter. When we start, you will enjoy it. On page number 140, there are a lot of reductions, so be careful. The very first activity which you have to remove is, can you recall? 2 questions are there and the paragraph along with 2 questions, both you have to remove it. Right below it, you have an activity, classify. That classification part you have to remove along with the names of the substances. Rubber, salt, soap, toothpaste, all that part you have to remove. Below it, you have a very small activity, can you tell what are salts? That part you have to remove. Towards the bottom of the page, you have an activity, try this. So remove this activity along with the orange block which is there near it, and the table is given in that orange block. The name of the salt, the original color of the solution, color and addition of universal indicator, pH value, nature, everything you remove. So in short, I will tell you, on page number 150, you have to only study from the ionic compounds which do not contain H plus from there and the paragraph following it. Only these 2 things you have to remember, and that one small yellow colored block is there. Do you know about the names of the salts? That part you have to just study. Rest all thing is removed out. Page number 151, a very small activity towards the end of the page. Do you know? Purple colored block, that you have to remove. Turn your page, page number 152, there are 2 reductions. One is a small activity towards the upper part of the page, research. And the last lines of that page, find out activity, both the questions about the various types of bleaching powder available in the market, what distinguishes these different types, all these things you have to remove. So on page number 152, 2 activities are removed, research and find out. Page number 153, no reduction. Page number 154, no reduction. Now we move to page number 155. There are 2 reductions on this page. One is the blue block on the top, introduction to scientists, and towards the end an orange colored block, and introduction to scientists. Both the introduction of scientists means both the blocks you have to remove it out. Turn your page, page number 156. Towards the end of the page, you have a blue colored block about the natural radioactivity and artificial radioactive elements. That block should be removed. 157 page, there is a big bonus for you. That entire big yellow colored block, the radioactive isotopes, their uses in industrial field of agriculture, medical science, that is a very big block. That entire block you put a big cross. So no uses about radioactive isotopes we are going to study. The orange block on that page you have to study it. Turn your page, page number 158. The very first block on the top, a peep into the past. Remove that block. On the same page towards the end, you have a purple colored block, always remember. Remove that block too. In the middle you have that harmful effects of artificial food colors. That block you don't touch it, you have to study it. So on page number 158, 2 blocks you are removing. One is a peep into the past and the other one is always remember. Page number 159, move towards the end of the page. There are 2 activities. One is find out and the other one is try this. Both these activities you have to remove towards the end of the page. Can you tell on that page? You have to study it. Page number 160, above that blue colored block you have can you tell. Remove that. What is the property of Teflon, because of which it is used in non-stick ware? Remove that activity. Blue block, properties and uses you have to study, so don't get confused. Only that small 2 lines activity can you tell you have to remove. And on page number 161, a small blue colored block is there. This is how ceramic article is made. That block you have to cancel. Remaining all the things you have to study on that page. So with this we complete with the discussion of reduction in syllabus for section A. Now we begin with section B. Our first chapter for section B is chapter number 15, Life Processes in Living Organisms. Page number 163. Page number 163 begins with the first chapter from section B. There is no reduction on this page. Page number 163, no reduction. Page number 164, there is no reduction. Page number 165, there are 2 blocks. Both the blocks have to be removed. One is, do you know, on the top about the oak tree, and towards the bottom you have always remember retention of unwanted and harmful substances, that block. So both the blocks you remove. Think about it, that activity you have to do. Turn your page. Page number 166. There is no reduction. A small reduction is there in the center. Observe and find out. So only the first paragraph over there you have to remove. I will read the paragraph. Observe your mother while she cuts elephant's foot or arum leaves. Your hands may also begin to itch if you try to cut those leaves. Why does this happen? Try to find out. Ask your mother what she does to prevent the itching. That block only you have to remove. That below that both the paragraphs you have to study. Page number 167, no reduction. Page number 168, a small activity in the center of the page. Use your brain power, which includes 2 questions. Both the questions you remove. Below that you have about coordination and think about it, that you have to study. Page number 169. Page number 169, you have a blue colored block. Do you know about the tendrils of the climbers, hormone? So you remove that. Page number 169, remove the blue block. Turn your page. Page number 170, you have a green colored block. Do you know? In the plant called Venus flytrap, there is a trap that appears and smells like flowers and deceives insects. That entire paragraph you have to remove. On that page towards the end you have observe activity. That activity we are going to perform. So don't touch it. Page number 171, there is no reduction. Page number 172, a very small activity. Can you tell? Remove that activity. Page number 172, there is an activity which includes 3 questions. So all the 3 questions, you remove that activity. Page number 173, there is no reduction. Page number 174, one small activity is there, find out. You remove that. A very big paragraph is there. You may have seen how a drunken person struggles to maintain his body balance. An excess of alcohol in the body causes one to lose control over it. Why does this happen? Find out the reason with the help of the internet. Remove that entire box. It is not a box, it is an activity. Page number 175, there is no reduction. Page number 176, 177, there is no reduction. So we complete with chapter number 15, that is the first chapter for section A. Now we move towards the next chapter for section B, that is chapter number 16, Heredity and Variation. A very important chapter, interesting chapter, but reduction is very less in this chapter. So whatever we have got from the education department, let us accept it in a very smiling way. Page number 179, there is no reduction. So we move to page number 180. Page number 180, very last line of that page, you have an activity, find out. Remove that activity. Number of chromosomes in different organisms, that activity should be removed. Page number 181, there is no reduction. Page number 182, no reduction. Page number 183, a small reduction is there in the center of the page. Green colored block, Seeds of Technology. Remove that block. So 182 there is no reduction. 183 I have given you. Turn your page number 184. A very small reduction is there. Yellow colored block, an introduction to scientists, about Gregor Johann Mendel. So that information you have to remove. That introduction you have to remove. Page number 185. Page number 185, no reduction. Page number 186, no reduction. Page number 187, you can see towards the right side of the page, you have an orange colored block. Use your brain power. That entire block you remove. Phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio, that ratios and all 2 questions, everything, that entire box you have to remove. Turn your page number 188, there is no reduction. 189, there is no reduction. Page number 190, you have a very small reduction towards the end of the page. Do you know? The information in Maharashtra, there are more than 2.5 lakh people suffering from sickle cell anemia, and about 21 districts including 11 districts from Vidarbha are affected by this disorder. That block you have to remove. Page number 191, no reduction. The last page of this chapter 192 also you do not have any reduction. Chapter number 16 is over. Now we move towards chapter number 17. Introduction to biotechnology. This chapter is very important because it is linked with an entire chapter in the 10th standard related to biotechnology. So we start with the first page number 194, there is no reduction. Page number 195, in the center of the page you have a green colored block. Do you know? Remove that. It is about the information of blood. Blood is also a type of connective tissue. That part you have to remove. So that block is, do you know? Turn your page number 196, 197, there is no reduction. Page number 198, there is no reduction. So all that activities, use your brain power, try this, can you recall, all we have to study. Page number 199, there are 2 reductions. One is, can you recall? You can see near the heading of plant tissue. 2 questions are there. What is the main difference between the growth of animals and plants? And second is, why does the growth of a plant occur only at specific parts of the plant body? So both these questions you have to remove. That is, can you recall activity? And below that you have an activity, try this, about the changes in the roots of onion. Remove that activity also. Turn your page number 200, there is no reduction. 201, there is no reduction. 202 also no reduction is there. Directly we move to page number 203. Towards the right side of the page you have an yellow block, an introduction to scientists. Remove that block. About Frederick Campion Stewart. Remove that. Page number 204, on the top you have a box, find out, orange colored box, that you have to remove. Page number 205, towards the bottom you have a green colored small block, using ICT. That website they have given about agritourism and all, that you have to remove it out. Page number 206, you have a reduction towards the bottom of the page, find out. 3 questions are there. What is meant by white revolution? What is its pioneer? What benefits did that? 3 questions you have to remove. The last page of the chapter 207, there is no reduction. Now we come towards the last chapter for section B. That is chapter number 18, and this chapter there is hardly any reduction, but whatever is there, let us go through it. Page number 209, there is no reduction. Page number 210, there is no reduction. 211, towards the bottom of the page, you have an yellow colored block mentioning about, in India, we have several telescopes with concave mirrors of 2 meter diameter that part you have to remove. Page number 212, there is no reduction. About the radio telescope, telescopes in space you have to study. Page number 213, you have 2 reductions, 2 blocks you have to remove. One is the green color block about the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, green block, and near that you have one purple colored block about the X-ray telescope named Chandra. So that purple block also you have to remove. On the last page of this chapter, page number 214, there is no reduction. So here you have got the complete reduction in syllabus for science and technology today. It was a request, sincere request from your side that teacher, in one video we want all the chapters reduction, so we can mark that in the textbook. Now it's your time. If you have marked it clearly, then one thing you keep in mind, no questions based on the reduced part of the syllabus you have to study. So as we proceed with the explanation of different chapters, I will keep on telling you from time to time that this is a question, textual question or anything related to the reduced syllabus, nothing you have to study. So I will keep on informing you, and in our next session I will now continue with the explanation for chapter number 13. We had stopped up to hydrocarbons. So you are going to read about the solubility of carbon, about the biogas plant in the next, before you attend the next session, so that when you attend it, the topics at least you will be knowing. At the same time, see to it that one chapter is already over, so the textual part, the additional questions, numericals, everything is completed in your notebook. Thank you, dear children.